So guys, welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share. If you are yet to follow me on Telegram, I'll be putting a link to my Telegram channel. Just go to the comment section. You'll see a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. And again, if you would want to trade with me for free, right, for good 7 days, I'm putting out a 7 days free trial to actually trade with me, right? I'll be putting a link to my Patreon channel. So click on the link, subscribe to it. You'll get a 7 days free trial to actually trade with me. And some of those trades that we've actually taken, I'm also going to be sharing some of those trades. When you see, you will see the link to some of those trades we've taken so far, and we have more trade to be, that is coming out. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, you can actually, become one of my Patreon subscriber and you get access to those trades. Now, when you take a look at this GBP USD, we can see this is the trend channel, right? We can clearly see that this is literally a downward movement. You can see a lower lows and a lower highs, a lower lows and a lower highs. Now, if you take a look at this GBP USD also, you see that this price is at this level of, the resistance level of the channel, right? So the next movement we all should be watching out for, right, is actually a drop downward to the support level of this channel. So that is the next movement we should be watching out for. That is technically. But when you take a look at what will be happening tomorrow, which is, June jobs opening, we'll be expecting major news on June jobs opening, which is very much likely to push the direction of GBP USD upward. But I don't think so. We all know the news. We can't really talk or predict what the news is going to happen or how it's going to play out tomorrow, right? Until the news is being released, then we will know if it is a positive, if it is positive or negative. But technically, right now, we are expecting GBP USD to actually drop. So this is exactly what I'll be watching out for. So all what we should be looking out for is a setup to go ahead and take a sell on this GBP USD. So basically, our direction is still a downward movement. Probably till Friday. Let's say if till Friday, let's give ourselves till Friday, we should be able to take out these lows. It depends on how the markets will, how the news will be released, how the markets will play out, and every other thing. It depends on how the markets will play out. So we'll be expecting more drop on GBP USD. Like I said before, the news is very much likely to push it up. But if in case the news pushes it up, then definitely this price will definitely drop and it will be coming to the support level. So basically, our direction is still a downward movement. Once again, if you are yet to follow me on Telegram, I'll be putting a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. Make sure you follow me on Telegram. And also, if you would want to trade with me for free for good 7 days, you want to try out my my 7 days trial, click on the link to my Patreon channel. You'll see the link to my Patreon channel. So click on the link, subscribe to my Patreon, and let's get started. By the way.